Commander White. We've got a lot of moving parts going on over there. You want to give us an example of a specific area that you all have been concentrating on and like to highlight that?
Yeah, I think I'm going to focus on my team's work because they have been absolutely incredible. We've spent the last 3 years building a bespoke, brand new cloud environment for the Coast Guard. We started with almost nothing, and they have created an enterprise, which is awesome.
Nice.
It is awesome. And very specifically in that, we have several lines of effort. So we have a cloud brokerage. We focus on customer
Hmm.
enablement, focus on migration services. We focus on FinOps. So the tagging strategy speaks to me. We published a tagging standard and a naming standard, putting in those core services that allow us to observe the cloud, observe what's running in there, and provide feedback on spend to our customers. In fact, the EBS volumes, that rings true. On a monthly basis, I go in and look and say, hey, you're running hot on your stale volumes here. And it's all for the good of the Coast Guard, right, and the good of the government, right? We want to preserve money
Absolutely.
and preserve spend, and having that visibility is absolutely crucial. The other trend that we've nailed is platform services. We went really hard on offering a new floor with which our development and mission enabling teams start from, and so that's delivering a comprehensive data fabric, which is called Surveyor. We have a software factory we call Herman. We have a couple low-code platforms in the mix, and we're working on right now delivering artificial intelligence as a service. And those form a ring around the core cloud capabilities. And so when a customer comes in, the migration conversation is not just, hey, give me a cloud account and let me deploy whatever I want in there. It's actually, how about let's look at the confluence of capabilities we have available to you and see how we can best meet your needs with what we already have invested in. And I'll say most of the problems that customers have are data problems. And so if you can solve your problem at the data layer, that eliminates a ton of activity. I know this has been a huge effort on CISA for cybersecurity awareness. That eliminates a ton of effort at the application tier, at the infrastructure tier. And honestly, all of this comes together trying to race towards the 2027 goal of zero trust architecture. And the faster we can get people on those new platforms in that new integrated environment with the zero trust gold seal of approval there that we've built it on, that will be a huge lift for us. So we're very focused on that as well as an enabling activity. So I thank my team for being incredibly diligent in the last 3 years and putting a lot into this movement.